How to fix WhatsApp not sending videos and photos. Hello guys, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of the photos and videos not sending on WhatsApp. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here, and here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it, and then click here on force stop, and then go down to this power usage details and go down here again, click on this force stop. After that, go to this power consumption alert option, make sure to enable it like this, and the same thing with the app launch, make sure that it's on manage automatically. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.